Not sure what to plant now? After Mother's Day is a great time to start with these 5 easy vegetable. In this video, we'll share 5 easy starts that can give you faster results, are beginner friendly, and can lead to great summer harvests. Tomatoes are one of the best plants to buy as starts. Look for healthy, sturdy plants with strong stems. Give them at least 6 hours of sunshine each day. Add a cage or support early so they have help as they grow. And when you water, aim for a deep soak right at the roots. About 1 to 2 inches a week really helps new starts settle in and grow strong. Peppers love warm soil. If planted too early, they may just sit there and struggle. Waiting until the soil is around 60 degrees or warmer can really help them get going. They also grow very well in pots, especially in a sunny spot where the soil warms faster. Give them plenty of sunshine, and they'll be much happier. Cucumbers are a warm weather crop, and grow best once the weather has settled. Give them a trellis or support to climb, which saves space, and keeps fruit cleaner. Keep them watered consistently, especially in warmer weather. And pick often, because regular harvesting helps the plant keep producing. If seeds feel like too much right now, starts can save time, give you faster harvests, and often mean less frustration for beginners. Zucchini is one of the easiest summer vegetables to grow. One healthy plant is often enough for many gardeners. It loves warm weather and sunshine. Water deeply at the base of the plant, and be ready, because zucchini can give very big harvests. Basil is a wonderful bonus plant to grow. It pairs beautifully with tomatoes in the garden and in the kitchen. It's easy to grow in pots, loves warm weather, and gives you fresh flavor all season long. Some plants grow especially well together. Basil and tomatoes are a favorite pairing for many gardeners. I'll share more easy companion planting ideas in the next video. A few common mistakes can slow plants down. Try not to plant too early while nights are still cool. Give plants enough space so they're not crowded. Water deeply instead of shallow little sprinkles. And don't forget support for climbing or heavy plants. Save this list for planting time. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, and basil are all easy starts for beginners. Start small, keep it simple. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more easy gardening after 50. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.